Today we're going to be covering how do you remove a white background from a logo. And why is this very important? It's important because you could be creating an amazing social media post, a flyer, a banner, and if you're stuck with the white logo from a client, you get this. But I'm going to show you how we can take this to this. Let's dive in Affinity Designer 2. So firstly, I'm going to do the Nike logo. And since this is a picture, we're going to be using the pixel tool, which is the pixel persona over here. And we're going to use the flood tool. The flood tool is really cool because is when you drag it across the color, it selects all the other pixels that is of the same color. And now look what it does. It selects everything. Now I'm going to go select, and then I'm going to go invert pixel selection, and I'm going to do mask. Now I wanted to show you this intentionally because we've still got this white section here inside the Nike. Now that is because we've got these two boxes at the top here. Contiguous means that everything that is outside or the white background will all be removed, but anything inside the image will not. What we have to do is we need to turn this off, but we still want to keep anti-alias on because anti-alias helps with the smoothing of the curves. So when it removes from the picture, it makes it smooth and it's not all jagged. So we're going to keep that on. I'm just going to Command Z just to undo so we can redo that again. I'm still on my flat selection tool. I've got contiguous deselected. I'm going to reselect my white background. I'm going to go back to select, invert pixel selection. We're going to mask it out. Here you go. Now we've got a clean selection with a transparent background. Now I'm going to do one more to show you that unfortunately this is not perfect dependent on the type of logo you are trying to remove the background from. So I'm going to go back to the Starbucks logo. So here is our Starbucks logo. But now that we're looking at it, can you see that the logo looks like it is connected with the background? Can you see it all flows in? And that's where we're going to come into a little bit of an issue. Because this is a picture, we're going to go back to our pixel persona. We're going to go back to our flood tool. And we're going to make sure contiguous is on this time. Can you see the crown is not selected as well as the face is not connected to the background. So I'm just going to drag it. I'm just going to go select again, invert pixel selection, and mask. So can you see what we're still left with is the two ends of the tail and the crown and the face. So unfortunately, what we would have to do is go back to our design persona, go to our shapes, our ellipse tool, hold down shift, drag a circle, click V to our selection tool, and we're just going to line it up. Hold shift again as we try to sync them together perfectly. I am then going to go to the top to realign them. Can you see? I'm going to hold shift because I'm slightly off. Just realign it again, make sure it's all good. I'm going to make sure it is white on my color selection, and I'm going to move it down in my layers so it is behind my Starbucks on. Can you see I'm just made a little bit too big? Just a little bit of shimming. Cool. And that is it. Unfortunately, it is not perfect like I wanted to show you, but it is still useful. Now, when exporting, it's very important to export it as a PNG. I'll show you why right now. PNG supports transparency, whereas JPEG doesn't. So please make sure that you export it in PNG. I'm going to say the whole document since that is all I've got on my page. I'm going to export Starbucks logo transparent and save. There you go. Here you've got the Nike logo and the Starbucks logo. But if you want to learn how to design your own logo, I've got a video over here that you can watch that shows you how to make your own logo. Alternatively, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.